Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So if you want to apply the fluffy icons on your Galaxy S24 Ultra, so that is not possible. Today in this video I will show you a trick by which you guys can get these icons on your phone. So recently these icons got really famous online. So to apply them, simply first of all install application named as OneUi fluffy icons from the Play Store app of your phone. And once you have installed it, you have to install another application known as Good Lock. After opening the Good Lock, tap on Theme Park. After tapping on Theme Park, simply tap on this icon option, then tap on Create New. Now tap on Icon Pack and select the Fluffy Icons icon pack. Now you will have to wait for a while over here. Then you have to tap on this download option in the top right corner. Simply tap on this and you have to name it. I will quickly name it, then you have to tap on OK to save it. Now it will save this icon pack in your theme park. By the way, if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. And once this icon pack is saved in your theme park, simply tap on the saved one and tap on apply. And that's it. Now the fluffy icons will be applied on your Galaxy phone. And the best part is that these icons are working for every app. As you guys can see, it is working for every social media apps such as WhatsApp, YouTube, Spotify, and every other app is working with this. And if you talk about any lag, so there is no lag while opening and closing of the apps, or even the system apps like the camera are having no lag. So if you were concerned with the lag issue with these new icons, so there will be no lag available with these icons. And if you want to unapply these icons, so for that you will have to go into the Good Lock application, then tap on Theme Park and tap on the saved theme, then tap on unapply. And your old icons will be back. And that's a wrap for today's video. This is how you can apply these new icons on your phone. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section that which icon you like the most with this icon pack.